In this video, I'll show you how you can create a one-step funnel to your offer. So let's say that on ClickFunnels, you find an offer that you really like, but after you check their affiliate site, you see that there's not a lot of resources and you can't actually give a PDF or something else in return. But don't worry, there is a solution to that. So if you check their landing page, you see that they immediately lead a potential customer to a video. So this is their sales page. You can simply build a one-step funnel. So if you go back on ClickFunnels, you would build a new funnel. You would again collect leads. You would name it one-step funnel, for example, and you would build a funnel. And then again, choose a template that you really like. Since we're not giving anything in return, it can be a simple landing page. For example, this one, I would select the template and I would edit this page. So I would delete this logo because I don't need it. But let's say that since we are immediately leading our customers to a page with the video, how can you generate your first paycheck? And instead of this, I would say sign up below to watch the video and find out. This button, I would edit this. I will click that it submits order, submits form. Watch video now. And I would add an additional field where they have to type in their email address. Under elements, add elements. And you would select input. And you would put it right above the button. There you go. You can edit this field a little bit. So input type is their email address. This is it. Now you would save it. And now since this is a one-step funnel, under settings, under general, you would paste your hop link from ClickBank right here. So I will go back on ClickBank. I will click on promote this offer, generate hop link, copy this link, and then paste it here. And there you go. Save your funnel again. And if you go back, you can delete this thank you page because we don't need it anymore. So you would just click on delete. And now you have a one-step funnel. So if you copy this URL to a clipboard, somebody will land on your website. They would give you their email address and they will immediately go to the offer. This one-step funnel is a better option if you don't have something to offer. So if you don't have a PDF report or anything, but you still want to collect leads and you still want to promote this offer. So this is how you would collect those leads.